Number 1. 1963 Mercury Comet Custom V8, $4,500, Elkhart, Indiana. This 1963 Mercury Comet Custom V8 is offered at $4,500 in Elkhart, Indiana. It is powered by a 260 cubic inch V8 with a 3-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. The red sedan runs and drives, but needs minor brake work, and it carries a clean title. As a V8 compact from the early 1960s, it offers strong project potential. With brake attention and light refreshing, it could become a fun weekend cruiser or restoration candidate. Cryptocurrency is accepted and delivery is available. Number 20. 1986 Mercury Marquis Station Wagon, $2,000, Wenatchee, Washington. Priced at $2,000 in Wenatchee, Washington, this 1986 Mercury Marquis Station Wagon features a 5-liter fuel-injected V8 and automatic transmission with rear-wheel drive. It shows approximately 120,000 miles and has a clean title. The body and interior show some wear, but these full-size wagons are known for durability and smooth driving. It is an affordable option for a classic daily driver or 1980s family cruiser. Number 3. 1981 Cadillac Eldorado Barittz 6.0 V8, $9,997, Scottsdale, Arizona. Offered at $9,997 in Scottsdale, Arizona, this 1981 Cadillac Eldorado Barittz is powered by a rare 6.0-liter V8 with automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. It shows about 80,000 miles and has a clean title. Finished in white and described as excellent condition, it has been owned for 10 years. With upgraded audio, good tires, and custom touches, it stands as a well-kept luxury cruiser from the early 1980s. Number 4. 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V, $10,000, Santa Clara, California. This 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V is listed at $10,000 in Santa Clara, California. It features a V8 engine, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and only 36,000 miles with a clean title. Finished in blue and mostly original, it represents classic late 1970s American luxury. With low mileage and proper function, it appears to be a well-preserved example. Number 5. 1965 Ford Fairlane 500, $7,500, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Offered at $7,500 in Minneapolis, Minnesota, this 1965 Ford Fairlane 500 is a solid mid-size classic sedan. It is powered by a 289 cubic inch V8 with a 2-barrel carburetor and a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive. Showing 67,148 miles and finished in blue, it comes with a clean title. The seller notes it runs and drives great, with clean oil and recent updates, including a new radiator, carpet, and shocks. Seat belts are installed front and rear, though it lacks a radio and has a ripped headliner. The Fairlane was known for blending practicality with performance, especially when equipped with a V8. This example appears to be a strong driver quality car with honest presentation and solid mechanical upkeep. Number 6. 1967 Pontiac Bonneville Convertible, $9,850, Grand Junction, Colorado. Listed at $9,850 in Grand Junction, Colorado, this 1967 Pontiac Bonneville Convertible offers classic full-size open-top motoring. It is powered by a rebuilt original V8 engine featuring a Summit Racing intake manifold and Edelbrock carburetor. paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The car shows approximately 50,000 miles and carries a clean title. Described as rust-free with a fine-looking interior, the car includes air conditioning components stored in the trunk and additional parts yet to be installed, including a working original radio. The convertible top needs replacement, and some minor trim pieces require attention. The Bonneville was one of Pontiac's flagship models in the 1960s, known for bold styling and strong performance. This example presents as a running and driving project with solid fundamentals and desirable convertible status. Number 7. 1969 Plymouth Barracuda Race Car Roller, $12,000, Globe, Arizona. Offered at $12,000 in Globe, Arizona, this 1969 Plymouth Barracuda is a drag race roller with no engine or transmission and a clean title. It includes racing components such as a Dana 60 rear axle, roll cage, fuel cell, slicks, and four-wheel disc brakes. With substantial race hardware already installed, it is ideal for completing a serious drag build or converting back to street use. Delivery is available. Number 8. 1966 Ford Fairlane Squire Station Wagon, 14-tuned Fruita, Colorado. This 1966 Ford Fairlane Squire Station Wagon is listed at $14,250 in Fruita, Colorado. Powered by a 289 cubic inch V8 with a 3-speed manual transmission and electric overdrive, it shows 90,300 miles with the odometer rolled over. The car carries a clean title and is described as a very good driver quality vehicle. The engine and clutch were rebuilt in 2013 with approximately 15,000 miles since. It features front disc brakes, rebuilt rear suspension, new universal joints, updated front suspension components, and sound deadening under the carpet. The wagon retains original elements including carpet and rear seat in very good condition, along with the desirable two-way magic tailgate. Some minor rust repairs have been completed, and a few small imperfections remain. As a third-owner vehicle with original California black plates and extra parts included, this wagon stands as a well-maintained and practical classic. Number 9. 1956 Ford Thunderbird, $19,950, Reno, Nevada. Priced at $19,950 in Reno, Nevada, this 1956 Ford Thunderbird features a V8 engine, automatic transmission, and both hardtop and softtop. It shows 69,404 miles and carries a clean title. Mostly original, with front disc brake upgrades and long-term ownership since 1977, it represents a well-cared-for example of this iconic 1950s American sports car. Number 10. 1978 Ford Thunderbird Diamond Jubilee, $14,000, Sequim, Washington. This 1978 Ford Thunderbird Diamond Jubilee is offered at $14,000 in Sequim, Washington. It is powered by a V8 engine with automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, showing 62,000 original miles with a clean title. Finished in blue with original paint and preserved interior, this special edition model reflects late 1970s luxury styling and documented low mileage.